Sharleen and the Rainbow Bridge. One morning in Maplebrook, after finishing her chores, Sharleen packed a picnic basket and set out on a walk. She wandered farther than usual, past the meadows and streams, until she reached a wide river that sparkled like silver. But there was no bridge, no boat, no way across. Sharleen sighed. If only I could fly like the flying train again. As if the river had heard her wish, a soft glow shimmered in the air. Slowly, a rainbow bridge began to appear, arching across the water, its colors glittering like gems. Sharleen gasped, "A rainbow you can walk on?" But when she stepped onto the first glowing strip of red, it wobbled under her feet. The bridge trembled and flickered. "Strange," Sharleen whispered. "It's like it's not strong enough." Just then, a gentle voice echoed. "The rainbow bridge grows strong only when people work together. Alone, it will not hold." Meeting the travelers. As the rainbow shimmered, 3 other children appeared from the forest path, each holding something different. Lila, a shy girl carrying a basket of paints. Tom, a cheerful boy with a bag of tools. Ravi, a quiet thinker with a map rolled under his arm. They looked at Sharleen in surprise. "Did you come for the bridge too?" asked Ravi. Sharleen nodded. "Yes, but it's too weak when I step on it." Tom tapped his chin. "Then maybe if we try together it will grow stronger." First attempt. The 4 children stepped onto the bridge at the same time. The red strip glowed brighter, and the orange appeared beneath their feet. "It's working!" Lila cheered. But halfway across, the bridge began to flicker again. Sharleen realized why. Everyone was rushing in different directions. Tom tried to go left. Lila wanted to stop and paint the colors, and Ravi pulled out his map to find the fastest route. The rainbow shook violently, and cracks of light split beneath them. "Stop!" Sharleen cried. "We'll fall if we don't move together." Learning to work as one. The children huddled. Sharleen took a deep breath. "The bridge grows when we work as a team. Let's each use our talents, but together." She pointed to Ravi. "You guide us with the map." To Tom. "You keep the bridge steady with your tools." To Lila. "You paint the colors brighter as we walk." The others nodded. This time, as they moved forward, the rainbow blazed with brilliant light. Ravi called out directions. Tom tightened glowing bolts, and Lila's brush filled the arch with dazzling shades. Sharleen encouraged them all, keeping their spirits high. Step by step, the rainbow grew strong beneath their feet. The challenge. Near the middle of the bridge, dark storm clouds rolled in. A strong wind blew, shaking the arch. Tom panicked. "It's too windy. We'll fall." Lila's brush slipped. "I can't paint fast enough." Ravi frowned. "The map doesn't show storms." Sharleen's heart pounded, but she shouted over the wind. "We can do this if we don't give up. Hold hands. Together we're stronger." They locked hands and took slow, steady steps. The rainbow pulsed with light, brighter than the storm. When they finally reached the far side, the clouds melted away into clear blue sky. The reward. On the riverbank stood a glowing pedestal with 4 sparkling stones, red, blue, green, and gold. Each child picked one up. "These are the stones of unity," said the voice of the bridge. "They will remind you that teamwork builds strength where one alone may fail." Sharleen held her golden stone close, smiling. She had learned something precious. Alone, she could be brave. But together, they could do even greater things. As the children waved goodbye, Sharleen whispered to herself, "Teamwork makes bridges strong. Not just rainbow bridges, but bridges between people too." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.